Hey, what's going on, guys? I got some flack from a few of you about duplicate 2013 $1 notes because I misspoke in a couple of videos and I don't know everything. So, I vigorously went to the nets and I learned a whole bunch of new stuff. I thought I'd share it with you about the 2013 B series of notes where you can find duplicates. So we can maybe be twins if we can find the same serial number, but let's talk more about them. All right, so what do I mean by a duplicate B-series star note? So with these notes from the Federal Reserve Bank of New York bearing a B, as well as being a replacement note or star note from Series 2013, as you probably know, serial numbers on banknotes are supposed to be unique for each denomination and series of those notes. The BEP, or Bureau of Engraving and Printing, accidentally printed over 6 million $1 2013 B-series notes for New York. These were printed twice. So the serial numbers printed twice fall into the ranges from B1 on the end, zeros, and then 1, all the way to over 3.2 million. Collectors have been trying to find pairs of the matching serial numbers, which is what makes them really valuable, and we often refer to these as twins or twin notes. So what is a duplicate pair worth? That's probably the biggest question that you're going to ask. I mean, what's the point in looking for them if they're not worth anything? Pairs of duplicate serial numbers are considered to be print errors due to this event happening with the 2013 $1 B series notes. So they are inherently valuable to collectors, and about a dozen twins have been found and united since this has become a thing. Of those, one pair has been sold publicly, and it has been for $7,200 in August of 2021, so just at 2 years ago, roughly. And then another one in March of 2022 for over $9,000 for a pair of $1 notes. Now, 2 auctions are not enough to draw like a long-term conclusion on price, but if you have a pair of these in hand, it is likely worth at least 100 times the value of the $1 notes you have, but this would depend on condition, of course, as we've seen that 2 star notes that have duplicate serial numbers and are twins, bearing the serial numbers B04436550, sold for nearly $10,000 at auction in the end of 2022. So those 3 sales all reached well over $7,000 each and have just gone more and more upward as the condition of the notes rises. This one, of course, is really beat up, but it would be wonderful to find the duplicate or twin of this note. That'd be super awesome. And I would love to have it. Get them graded, right? So currently the price of these notes is being driven up by that lottery ticket experience. I mean, if you were to find duplicates that are twins and they're really, really good condition, you're also able to possibly get them graded. You could sell them for thousands of dollars. So what a fun thing when you're talking about just $1 notes. I think these are really, really cool. I'm glad that I researched them more and learned a little bit more about star notes. Hopefully you learned a thing or two in this video, but let me know what you think about these star notes and if you have hopes of finding a matching pair. And do you want a duplicate pair for your collection, or would you sell it and walk away with the thousands of dollars? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.